Do you want to make it more cozy inside? Or just create a complete freaking jungle? In this video, I will give you the 10 easiest houseplants to keep. These 10 plants are both for people with little plant knowledge and for plant experts, really good options to add to your collection. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I heard that people who subscribe to list lovers will never get a dead plant. Let's get started. Number 10. Bromeliads. Exotic and highly colored, these tropical plants love bright sunny spots and are easy to grow, long-lasting house plants. From the center of the thick tube-like rosettes of foliage, the plant produces a brilliantly colored flower spike. This can be fuchsia, orange, yellow or red depending on variety, and they make a spectacular indoor feature. Number 9. Peacock Plant or Calathea. Proud owners of the most decorative foliage, peacock plants have fantastically striped leaves in shades of green, yellow, pink and white. Sometimes referred to as the prayer plant because its leaves lie flat during the day and fold upwards at night, as if in prayer. Place them in direct, but not strong light. A north or east-facing window is ideal for the best leaf coloring. Number 8. Pothos or devil's ivy. Easy to care for and highly rewarding, pothos are large-leaved climbers, or trailers depending on your preference, are prolific and almost thrive on neglect. With a huge range of different colored foliage to choose from, neon green and silver blue-green are just two striking options. You can add real impact to practically any room in the house. The fleshy stems can reach up to 65 feet plus, 20 m plus, in the wild, but are likely to reach less indoors. Trim if needed. Number 7. Succulents. With their intriguing and intricate shapes, succulents are hugely popular plants both indoors and out. Varying in shape, size, color and height, these little gems make a fantastic indoor display grouped together in individual pots lined up on shelf or window ledge, or planted en masse as a table focal point. Allow the compost to dry out completely before watering thoroughly, avoiding the rosettes or glaucous leaves, as this will cause the plant to rot. Number 6. Philodendron. If you are after a tall, upright plant that won't invade your space, then try a philodendron. A large-leaved climber hailing from the Caribbean, it loves bright light positions, but can also cope with a bit of shade. With over 489 species to choose from, you won't be left wanting. Preferring a humid environment, you may want to occasionally mist your plant or place it in a steamy bathroom. Number 5. Zed Plant or Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Fancy a houseplant that looks like no other? Then the Zed Plant or Rick plant is a must. Dark glossy slender leaves with distinct undulating edges, it makes a real impact placed on its own on a side or coffee. One extra bonus is that the Zed Plant also has air purifying capabilities, removing harmful compounds such as benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene and xylene. Number 4. Monstera Deliciosa or Swiss cheese plant. Giant glossy leaves and tropical vibes, what's not to like about Monstera Deliciosa, or the Swiss cheese plant, as it's also known? Native to Mexico and Central America, it's an indoor plant that makes a big impact and looks fantastic. These instantly recognizable plants are climbers with aerial roots, so indoors they do need to be trained up moss cover poles to mimic the trees it clings to in the wild. Number 3. String of Hearts. String of Hearts plant. Extremely easy to look after, this delicate trailing plant is very tolerant and undemanding. Pairs of tiny heart-shaped leaves are silver gray with a rose-pink underside. Just like a succulent, it stores water in its long stems, and these can reach up to 6.5 feet, 2 m, long. As a result, this plant looks stunning on a shelf or popped into a hanging planter above the stairs or window, and is lovely as a bedroom plant. Number 2. Snake plant or Sansevieria. It's the striped and twisting sword-like leaves that makes this plant so dramatic. Tough and extremely drought-tolerant, it is often referred to as mother-in-law's tongue, and makes the perfect showstopper on a side table or sitting neatly in a corner. Number 1. Peace lily. The epitome of elegance, the peace lily with its glossy tear-shaped leaves and pure white flowers is one of the most popular indoor plants. Effortlessly chic, they radiate tranquility and simplicity, but can be a little temperamental at times. They do prefer moist soil, but the good news is that these plants will tell you when they are thirsty, as the leaves will droop. Pop it next to the shower for the occasional boost or mist with a water spray. Wow, that top 10 went by fast. Give me a thumbs up if I helped you find your next plant. See you next time.